Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you are going to make fresh mango juice. So our ingredients are mango. You can use one piece only if only one person can drink this, but if two person, then you can use 2 pieces of mango. Okay, so make it sure that it's ripe. And then next, water. You can use warm water or normal water, or you can use ice water. And also our milk. You can use any kind of milk that you have at home. So let's begin. By the way, I have my mini blender here. So you can use any type of blender that you have at home. Okay, so I really like this one because it's portable and I can just take it anywhere. So I bought it at Amazon and it's, I think, like around 20 bucks. So I will post it how much I bought it. Okay, so now this is my mango. So I'm going to slice it. I'm going to put my lid of my blender. So here, slice it. So make it sure that you are very careful when you are slicing it. Okay, this is not intended for kids. If kids are watching it, you need a guidance from adults. Okay, so this one is overripe. So as you can see, it's not good. Okay, so I'm going to check another one. Okay, so it seems like this one is better. This has been sitting here and I put it inside the refrigerator. It's really ripe. Okay. So I have my mangoes here. It's kind of like that. Okay, it seems like it's not good. Okay, I will try more. One more. Okay, this one. I'll try this. I hope this one is good enough. I don't want black inside. Okay, this one is perfect. Okay, I found a better one. So guys, the reason why there's black here, because it's overripe. Okay, and maybe when they are picking it, maybe it fall on the ground. But this one's still fine. This one, it's not that bad, but if you don't want to use it, then don't use it. So I'm going to use the better one. Okay, so it's so juicy, so make it sure that it's not dripping on your table. Okay, so this is my blender. Now I'm going to scoop it and put it inside directly. Okay, make it sure that you wash your hands before doing this procedure. I did wash my hands because I washed my dishes before doing this video. Okay, so there you go. And later on, I will just eat this part because I like to munch that. Okay, now I'm going to add water. Okay, I'm going to add water so you can fill this up. Okay, first is my milk. So I'm going to add like one third of this blender. Okay, there you go. So now I'm going to add water, fill it until it's almost full. So it should be like 3/4. Okay, don't overfull it. Now cover it. Okay, so this one I'm going to set it aside to cover my okay, so here I am ready to turn it on. Okay, so just if you are using the blender that I am using right now, so I know you know how to turn it on. Just press open or power on. Okay, you can do like that, or okay, and okay, so I think it's good right now. Okay, and I think my battery is almost dead, so I need to charge it after. So anyway, this one is rechargeable. There's a mini, and this one is waterproof, by the way. The one I am using right now is waterproof mini blender, portable blender. Okay, so if I want more, okay, there you go. So that's the result, and as you can see, it looks like fluffy. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to open it. So I'm going to put my tissue here because I don't want to drip it, just in case. And let me see. The reason why I added milk, because last time I made this one, it's not that sweet. So, and I like milk, so I think it's perfect for me. But if you don't like dairy cream or dairy, just add water or add ice. Okay, so now perfect. I really like the taste, and it's healthy. Okay guys, if you like my video, please click like of course, and leave a comment on the comment section. And if you are not yet my subscribers, please subscribe to my channel and follow all my videos. If you are going to click the bell button, don't forget to click the bell button. Bye bye, see you next time. I need to finish this. It's really good. Really good. This is perfect when you are when you're having a diet and you are not drinking any soda or soft drinks. This is vitamin C. Okay, I need to finish it before ending this video to make it sure that it's yummy. Empty. See, that's quick. And if you are going to wash this, just add water and then just press on. Okay, so same like this one. That's it. That's how you are going to clean it. Okay. So by the way, again, thank you very much for watching, and please share my videos with your friends and family so that they can be fruit wise and don't waste your ripe food. You can use it as your fresh juice. Okay, bye bye.